friends, welcome back to AvanPakasastram. Today I will show you how to make Ragi Dosa, instant Ragi Dosa. Required ingredients are Ragi Flour 2 cups, Semolina 2 cups, rice flour half cup, curd, green chillies chopped, ginger chopped, cumin seeds and salt to the taste. Take a bowl, add 2 cups of Ragi powder into it, add 2 cups of Semolina and now add rice flour half cup, and now we will add curd, 2 cups of curd into this mixture, and then add chopped green chillies, finely chopped green chillies, add chopped ginger. Now add cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. Mix all the ingredients very well by adding water so that we will get the consistency. Adding water will mix all the ingredients very well. We have to see that there are no lumps and add water according to it, and it should be a flowing consistency. Watery flowing consistency should be achieved. Whisk very well so that you will not have any lumps. Now you can see that the mixture is somewhat watery and it is okay. There are no lumps also. Rest it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, on the flame, place a pan, grease it with oil, and then pour the dosa batter on this pan. Please check that the pan is hot. Cook it on the 2 sides. Add oil to this mixture. Add oil so that it will cook very well. Let it cook on the 2 sides, side 1 and side 2. Now it has been cooked on one side, and now I am changing for the second side. Cook both sides so that it will be very tasty. Ragi Dosa is ready in 25 minutes. Yummy Ragi Dosa is ready. Thanks for watching. Like it, share it and subscribe it. Jai Hind.